Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Julie and today you are joining me on another fun sourcing video. We are sourcing the best TV stands, media consoles, and credenzas. If you're currently shopping for a new TV stand or simply updating your old one, this video is for you. Let's start with the first question on everyone's mind. Do I need a TV stand? If you have a television, the simple answer is yes. Nothing makes a room seem more unfinished than a huge TV with nothing beneath it. Especially if you're not mounting the television, of course you'll need something to place it on. Before we jump into my best of list, let's talk about console sizes. The console size would depend on the size of your television. Now remember that televisions are measured on the diagonal. So if you have a 42-inch television, your television is not 42 inches wide. It's actually 42 inches on the diagonal. So of course, bust out your tape measure or look up the specifications online and measure the width of your television. My general rule of thumb is that the television should be about 2/3 the width of the actual console. Let's say you have a television that's 42 inches and it's actually 39 inches wide. That means 39 inches is actually 2/3 the width of the console. So you would ultimately be specifying a console that's about 54 inches in length. I mocked up a handy-dandy cheat sheet for you, so here are the most common TV sizes and the television consoles that I would specify for your space. A 32-inch television is a 29-inch width, and I would specify a 44-inch cabinet. For a 42-inch TV, that's 36 inches in width, and that's a 54-inch cabinet. For a 55-inch TV, that's a 50-inch width, I would specify a 75-inch cabinet. 72 inch is actually a standard width for a cabinet or console, so you can give or take a couple of inches. For a 65-inch TV, that's 57.5-inch width, and I would specify an 86-inch cabinet. 84 inches is pretty standard. For a 75-inch TV, it's 66 inches in width. I would specify a 99-inch cabinet. 96 inches or 8 feet or 100 inches is pretty standard on a console, so you could look for a cabinet size within that range. For 85 inches or more, you're looking at customizing some sort of shelving. I do love a good IKEA hack, and the Besta modular system is really the best out there. You could build this look based on your size, your preferences, and your needs, or you could do as I did and purchase multiple smaller cabinets and place them side by side for a custom look. Of course, this is just my general calculation for the TV size and the console that sits beneath it, but your conditions may vary. You always want to consider your space, the width of the actual wall in your living room or bedroom, the height of your ceilings, what you're placing beside the cabinets. I mean, there's so much that factor into it, but if you're starting with just a blank wall and a simple television and a console, these measurements should help guide you. So without further ado, here is my list for the best TV consoles and media cabinets. First on the list is this MELBURN media console. It comes in two finishes, natural mango and black wash. I love the high contrast black and cane combination. Both finishes are really beautiful and can work in a variety of settings. This mid-century shape gets an upgrade with cane covered cabinet doors for added texture. Even though cane is considered quite trendy at the moment, this natural material has been used to detail furniture since 17th century Europe when it first appeared on the seats and backs of wooden chairs. Rattan, which is a plant found in Southeast Asia, is harvested, cut, and woven to create strong seats and chair backs. This method is called caning. The material is actually rattan. A little history lesson here for you, along with my assessment of the piece. I love the spacious interior. It has tons of shelving and rear cutouts for cord management. It's functional, stylish, modern, and chic, the ultimate combination when it comes to specifying furniture. Next on the list is the IKEA STOCKHOLM. It's a TV bench in walnut veneer that's simple and modern with a retro mid-century vibe. You can choose to keep the doors, or rather hatches, open or closed. When folded up, they disappear under the top panel for a sleek design. The TV bench is clad in walnut veneer over MDF particle board, so it looks and feels like solid wood without the heft or markup. Walnut is super durable, and IKEA further coats the surface with a protective coat of lacquer so that it's UV resistant and it never fades under direct sunlight. You can easily hide the cords by leading them between the shelves and out the cable outlets on the underside of the bench. You can also change the height according to your storage needs, as the shelves inside are adjustable. The TV bench stays in place on uneven floors because it has adjustable feet. Gosh, I really do love IKEA. They truly think of everything. Next on the list is West Elm's Cascading Top Media Console. I am a sucker for burl wood. It's probably the only time that I could get on board with a honey-colored wood finish and still feel like it's the ultimate in timelessness and sophistication. This console from West Elm is crafted from kiln-dried solid poplar wood with a glossy burl wood veneer. There's 4 cabinet doors with adjustable shelves inside and cable cutouts for cords as well. Burl wood is typically very thick and resists splitting, which is why it's often cut into thin layers and used for veneer. This makes every piece beautiful and unique, and you never get the same grain twice, which is what makes it so special. It has a very old school classic Hollywood glam vibe, but you'd be surprised to see that burl wood works in so many different styles from mid-century to modern, eclectic, transitional, or contemporary. Look for burl wood whenever you want to make a statement and need a wow piece to finish a room. Next on the list is this Modernist wood and lacquer shallow media console. Another piece from West Elm, and this one's on sale for $449. It features a light winter wood finish over a solid and engineered wood frame. It's two-tone finishing with a lacquer wood case, so it gives off a nice contrast with a matte and glossy vibe. The brass hardware elevates this simple and refined shape, and I especially love that it's super slim and shallow. It's perfect for narrow spaces, or it can even be repurposed for your entry foyer. Next, we have Amazon's ERGODE Render Media Console. It's a small console that's really big on style. I love the slatted panel doors that glide on a concealed track. It's a clever use of space, especially since there's no doors to open or close. I love the bullnose edge. It's such a chic statement-making cabinet that's perfect for small spaces. And at $188, it feels like a bargain too. Next, we have Wayfar's ANSEL TV stand. At this price, you should automatically be forewarned that this is not a piece that's made of solid wood or even real wood veneer. It's made of an engineered wood over particle board. It has 5 different finishes to suit any space. It features soft close glide drawers, and it measures 68 inches wide, and according to my measurements above, it can accommodate TVs up to 60 inches. Wayfar says that it can accommodate up to 70-inch TVs, but that's if you max out the width, which I don't advise since it feels disproportionate to the space, and I feel like it's too much TV and not enough cabinet. There's 2 shelves and 2 drawers with metallic pulls. You can store board games in there, extra blankets, extra pillows. There's also a cable management cutout on the back to easily hide wires. Next on the list is this Libby Media Console. Late 70s style is getting major play right now, and I'm not mad at that at all. I love the modern refresh with a gunmetal finished iron that's perforated and rounded. This pill shape is so dang chic and great for households with kids since there's no sharp corners for them to accidentally bump into. The polished white marble top adds some visual contrast and elegance to this piece. I can totally see it in an industrial style loft or even a contemporary space if you want to add a bit of edge to the aesthetic. Next, we have Urban Outfitters SANNA Media Console. It's the perfect storage console to hide all your junk, from gaming gear to books and magazines, blankets, pillows, and throws. That's the beauty of a full cabinet with doors. It features carved curving lines, 2 shelves, and a cord cutout for your media. It's finished with light ash veneer over MDF to make the natural patterns of the wood shine through. I love how the ash wood is showcased in this entire piece since it embodies the entire cabinet. From the top, the side, the base, the doors, even the handles are made out of ash wood, which makes it such a unique piece. Next on the list is Crate & Barrel's Rika Glass Cloth Dresser by Leanne Ford. Just a reminder that you can use any type of furniture that has cabinet and drawers for your TV or media console. Leanne Ford needs no introduction, but if you don't know who she is this megawatt interior designer who renovates and restores old homes for a living, and she does it on TV. She lends her calm, cool, and effortless style to Crate & Barrel with a full line of furnishings that I simply die for. This Rika dresser has elements of coastal casual with a grass cloth wrap, but I can see it in any type of setting where you want an easy breezy kind of vibe. I love the curved waterfall frame that envelops a floating set of 6 drawers. It also has an open shelf that's perfect for storing your cable console or game deck. Remember that this piece is marketed as a dresser, so you can use it both outside in the living room for your television or repurpose inside the bedroom for more versatility. The flat grass cloth fronted drawers and the fresh whitewash finish give this clean line dresser an airy feel with a natural texture. Here's another piece from Crate & Barrel that could not be more different than the last. The ENZO 72-inch black media console with a marble top. It's a modern mix of materials featuring a top of Carrara marble set against a black finish Mindy wood frame. There's tons of storage space with 2 closed cabinets on the sides and a black metal mesh insert. It opens up to 2 adjustable shelves each and 3 soft closed drawers in the center. All black can look a little heavy, but this piece feels lighter and elevated with an exposed base on slim tapered legs. This cabinet can be used as a media console in the living room or as a dining room sideboard since the marble top makes it so easy to wipe down and clean. Next, we have the Reza Media Console. What a beautiful piece of furniture. I love it when I can repurpose statement pieces in any single room of the house and it just feels right. I can see this in the living room as a media cabinet, in the dining room as a sideboard or buffet, the bedroom as a dresser, in the family room to hide the kids' toys. When there's a hefty price tag attached, you must love the piece and can visualize it in any room of the house and imagine it making the cut through many, many moves. This is directly from the website and I love how they describe this piece. It has mid-century styling with a shaker spirit. Finished in a light smoked honey, this clean line parawood console sits on an arched cradle base of toasted acacia. Twist lock metal hardware adds a clever finishing touch. There's also rear cutouts for media cord management, so of course this is made for the television. Next, we have Amazon's SAUDER HARVEY Park Media Console that comes in 5 different finishes. I am very impressed with all of these options. It comes in grand walnut, which looks better in warmer spaces, split oak, better for cooler color palettes, Pacific maple, which is almost a cross between the two, a white glacier oak finish, along with a black raven oak finish. But that's not all I like about it. It really has a retro-inspired vibe. There's 3 drawers with slatted fronts, that adds tons of storage for games, electronics, remote controls, video game controllers, whatever you need to store right within reach. The 3 open shelves are perfect for your game consoles or cable boxes. You can also use the divided storage for home decor, magazines, or books. The drawers open and close on smooth metal runners, so it's actually perfect for the family room when your kids can access the drawers easily without a fuss. Amazon actually has a ton of great deals on furniture and a lot of first-hand accounts and honest reviews, so you know exactly what you're paying for. I was browsing through Target's online site and I was looking for a budget-friendly option, something around $100 that would be perfect for your small space. I found this PEERMONT mid-century modern TV stand from Christopher Knight Home and it's on sale for $95. I love the mid-century vibe with a 2-tone finish. It has middle shelves with cable access and 2 closed-door cabinets to hide all of your junk. For such a bargain, you can't expect that this piece will last forever, but it does the job with clean modern lines and just enough detail to make it feel special. That's it for this list, but this video would not be complete without me telling you what not to get and why. Definitely stay away from TV consoles that are made of glass and metal. It collects so much dust, you see every single fingerprint, and even though they're really inexpensive, you can find one at Walmart, Target, or even Amazon for less than $100. Sometimes you can even find it for $50. I would not spend that kind of money. The cords are always visible. No matter what you put on the shelves, it looks chaotic, and that's not really the type of vibe that you want for a clean and modern space. So definitely stay away from glass and metal anything. Here's another example of a TV stand or media console that I would stay away from. Although I love cane and rattan and I love this pill-shaped piece, the open shelving is just a disaster, especially if you're not the tidiest person out there. Open shelving always begs to be styled, so if you're looking for something with minimal effort and low maintenance, definitely look for something with closed cabinets or drawers. You can use just about any type of furniture piece as your TV stand. Here are some search terms that will help guide you through the shopping process. TV console, media cabinet, credenza, sideboard, buffet, dresser, media console, entertainment unit, media stand, TV bench. Every vendor calls these furniture pieces by different names, so don't limit yourself to TV console or media cabinet. That's it for this video. I hope you got some great resources to shop for your next TV stand or media cabinet. As always, you can shop all of the looks featured in this video in the description box below. If you didn't like any of these pieces, definitely check out the links for my preferred vendors list. All of these pieces are from vendors that I actually use to shop for my very own interior design clients. So if you didn't find anything that you liked from this video, definitely check out those links so that you can shop other looks available online. What did you think of today's list? Do you have a favorite that tops the list? Mine is probably the Leanne Ford dresser from Crate & Barrel. I mean, I've been dying for this piece. I really wanted to make it work in my bedroom, but I could also see it styled in the kids' playroom with the rounded corners. I mean, it is just so dang chic. I have a ton of videos pertaining to the television, how high to hang the TV, where to place it in the media room, how to style it in your living room so the TV doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. I'll also link all those videos for you in the description box below. What items do you need help sourcing next? Definitely check out my best of playlist. I've already rounded up sectionals with sofa options, coffee tables, so I need your help. Let me know what key furniture items you might need help sourcing next. If you like this type of video and you want more sourcing tips, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you have a TV stand or a media console you absolutely love and want to share with our viewers. Share this video with anyone you know who's looking to upgrade their TV stand or media console, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that little notification bell to be notified of new videos that we roll out every Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week.